Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Copilot on Windows 11. Uninstall Copilot. Reinstall Copilot. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.